Safety integrity level is more than just a technical term. It's the foundation of real-world machine safety. For robot cells, presses, and conveyors, getting safety integrity level just right means matching your safety systems to the actual risks on the floor. Too low, and you risk undetected faults and unsafe conditions, leading to dangerous failures and costly upgrades. Too high, and you face unnecessary complexity, higher costs, and frustrated operators who may bypass safety features just to keep production going. The key is a balanced approach. Use risk assessments to determine the appropriate safety integrity level. Select components and controls that fit, and ensure your team can maintain and operate the system with confidence. When safety integrity level is well matched, you achieve reliable safety, operational efficiency, and compliance without making your machines difficult to use or maintain. Contact the manufacturing safety engineers at Automation Distribution today for a free safety assessment.